Alright, this is basic NUC assembly. All you'll need is the stuff you see right here. Be sure to put on your anti-static wrist strap before beginning. So first thing we'll do is we'll take off these 4 screws with the big screwdriver. Now if those are off, gently lift from the screws and pull the unit to the side. Most units that are tall will have a ribbon cable connected. Be sure to just place it to the side, don't put any kinks in the ribbon cable. First thing we'll install is our memory. So all you do is gently slide it in and then push it down with equal pressure on both sides. Same for this stick, slot it in, gently push down with equal pressure. You'll hear them click in place. So now that those are installed, we'll go ahead and put our SSD in. So what you'll need to do is take this skinny screwdriver and remove this single screw right here. Set that to the side, grab your SSD, slot it into the slot, push down on it, and then while you're holding it down, put this screw back in it. Okay, now this NUC is equipped with its SSD and its memory, so we just screw it back down.